I'm Donald Sienkiewicz from the Estate Preservation and Planning Law Office in Amherst, New Hampshire. Today I'm going to explain how Medicaid works for long-term care. Medicaid is not Medicare. Both are social insurance programs enacted during the Johnson administration. Medicare is the health insurance that all Americans can get when they turn 65. Rich, poor, or in between. It's not designed to pay for long-term care for seniors. Sometimes people joke that the AID at the end of Medicaid stands for all investments depleted. But that's true only if you didn't go see an elder law attorney before needing care, or at least before spending all of your money on your care. Medicaid pays for health care for low-income children and some low-income adults, and it also pays for long-term care for low-income and low-asset adults. Medicaid will pay for long-term care either in the form of in-home care or care in a nursing home. There are three ways to pay for long-term care: your money, insurance money, or the government's money. Your money is self-explanatory. You go into a nursing home, they send you a bill every month, and you pay it until you run out of money. Lawyers use Medicaid irrevocable trusts to qualify you for the government's money before you've spent all of yours. I'll explain how those work in an upcoming video. Long-term care insurance comes in two flavors: traditional use it or lose it insurance and asset-based or hybrid insurance, either of which might make sense for you. Medicaid irrevocable trusts and long-term care insurance are complementary, not necessarily competing solutions. When you apply for Medicaid, the state asks you what assets you have to contribute toward the cost of your care, what income you have to contribute toward the cost of your care, and what you've given away in the past 5 years. This is the infamous 5-year look back. There are three qualification tests for Medicaid: medical condition, assets, and income. If you need assistance with a certain number of activities of daily living, or ADLs, you'll be medically qualified. If you're single and have less than $2,500 in assets of any kind, you are asset qualified. If you're married, there's a formula, but the most the healthy spouse can keep in New Hampshire is half the couple's assets, up to a maximum of $123,600 in 2018. The residence is also generally a non-countable asset as long as the applicant's equity is less than $572,000, or significantly more if you live in Massachusetts. The Medicaid rules are complicated. Please do your family a favor and go see a qualified elder law attorney, preferably before you need care, but it's rarely too late to preserve assets. To learn more, click on the link, 3 Ways to Start Planning for My Family Today.